Namaskar. We are at the India AI Impact Summit in New Delhi. I have with me Sebastien Febre, CEO Safran AI. Safran is leader in artificial intelligence in aerospace and defense. Sebastien, bonjour and welcome to DD India.
Thank you very much. Welcome.
Right, and I want to tell you the importance of this conversation is also because the year 2026 has been recognized as the year of India-France Year of Innovation. Also, we've learned about this joint venture that Safran and Bharati Electronics of India are going to get into to manufacture hammer missiles in India. Sebastien, shall we begin with that? If you can tell us a little about this very ambitious joint venture and your thoughts on this time-tested friendship between India and France.
Yes, it's one more step in France and India collaboration as well as Safran collaboration in India. We've been in the country for 65 years. We've got more than 3,000 people working for Safran in the country, and we expect to double this over the next 4 to 5 years. So it is one more step in our collaboration, and we look forward to actually doing much more here.
Right, and from being a net importer of defense equipment, India is also rising up the ladder, getting into joint production opportunities. Your thoughts on the rise of Make in India and the expansion of AI and manufacturing ecosystem in the country?
Yep. So again, I think Make in India has been in our DNA, in our genes in Safran for many years. Yeah. When it comes to artificial intelligence, India is a leading country, and there are many actually Indian leaders on AI worldwide. So for us, it's really natural to collaborate with India on that topic. It's Make in India, but it's also co-constructing with corporations in India.
Right. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Emmanuel Macron held talks a few days ago. And now, what is your sense, if you look at the approach of these two leaders in particular, the manner in which they are shaping a global narrative on AI?
Yeah. I think it's very interesting to see the shape that has been given to this AI summit around sovereignty, around ethics, on how we can actually make AI good for all, which is very important to all of us. And we have strong expectations for this summit in terms of how government, university, corporations can work together, and how France and India will be role models in deploying those very strong values in AI.
Right. And how's been your experience at the AI summit so far? Do you feel at home here?
I would not say I feel at home, because we do feel in India, and it's really great in terms of cultural exchange. Yeah. But again, common values, very important. Sure. A lot of very interesting, encouraging progress with our colleagues from India. So very energized by this summit.
Sebastien, I'm also curious to learn from your expertise, of course. If you can give us some insights as to how is AI transforming the future of defense? What are future conflicts and warfare, for instance, likely to look like?
Yeah. So at Safran AI, we do multimodal AI for intelligence, defense, and industry, meaning we are developing systems that are trustworthy, on which people can team up with to be informed about a decision and take decision. That applies for intelligence, but also for industry, for instance, in terms of parts inspection, in terms of quality checks. So it's really a question of man and machine teaming. It's a question of also getting rid of tedious tasks for humans, and AI is very good at doing that. And it's also about improving quality, speed of production, so a lot of very positive impact.
And we know that this summit is witnessing a gathering of hundreds of entrepreneurs, young startups. What is that one advice that you'd like to share with them as they work towards finding solutions for the future?
And that's a very important one. I think 2025 shown a record year in terms of investment in AI. More than 50% of venture capital went to AI companies. But there's a shift as well from AI models to AI applications. Why AI applications? Because in the end, we need to solve true business issues. And my advice would be to focus less on AI technology, less on AI models, and focus more onto the day-to-day business problems that you want to solve with AI. And that's what we are doing on our side, again, helping intelligence analysts, defense people, and our industry colleagues to help with their day-to-day challenges with AI. I think that's the right way of taking AI.
And that's somewhat also the theme, central theme of this summit, isn't it? A people, planet, and progress, really humanizing the impact of AI.
Absolutely. Humanizing the impact of AI, also taking care of what AI could do in terms of positive impact, but also thinking about where it could have negative impact and anticipating that with a strong framework around, again, sovereignty, around ethics.
On that note, Sebastien, thank you for speaking with DD India. Merci.
Thank you very much.